Okay, so this is our morning coffee routine. So these, this is like, we're basically in a hotel, and all we've had to do is get hot water, and most hotels have kettles, but right now they don't because of COVID. But anyways, these are like to-go mugs that we both have. And these are what are called coffee stalks, and we call them coffee stalks. I don't know, they're not really stalks, but they're what they use in Costa Rica to make coffee. They put this into like a wooden frame usually and leave it, put the coffee in it, and then they just pour hot water into it, and then they put their mug underneath, and the coffee drips through. So that's how they make coffee in Costa Rica. It's their traditional way. So we got these when we were in Costa Rica. We have a few of them, and we just put our coffee in there and then pour hot water in. And then we just let them steep for like probably 5 minutes or so.
Yeah, something like that.
And okay, so this is the second stage of our making our morning coffee. So we always try to put some sort of an oil in it. It's called bulletproofing your coffee. So you can use butter, coconut oil. We've even used olive oil and even argan oil, and yeah, anything that is a nice oil that's good to eat.
Although we've tried sesame oil, and it kind of messed with our stomachs.
Yeah,
so
that didn't work so well.
Don't recommend that one.
And then what was the one that we were just using?
It was hazelnut oil.
Hazelnut oil, yeah.
That was good, yeah.
So there's a few, but anyways, the oil helps the coffee. It loses acidity, so it's not so hard on your stomach. So yeah, so it might be something that you want to try. But anyways, we mix it with honey. We usually try to do honey so that it's a little bit better for us than just plain sugar. Yeah. And then we have a little blend jet that we carry around with us as part of our kitchen kit. And we use it for salad dressings and all sorts of stuff, but its primary use is for coffee. So we first put the coconut oil and the honey in the bottom, and then yeah, we take it and blend it. Okay, so we have to drain the coffee from the stalk, the coffee stalk.
Mm.
So yeah, in Costa Rica, you have this set up over top of sort of a frame that the stalk sits in, and then it just drains itself. You just let it drain itself.
And typically they would have less coffee in the coffee stalk, but we're coffee addicts, so we love more coffee in the stalk. So this is why I'm actually tipping and adjusting the draining method here, because otherwise it takes a little while longer, and we get impatient when we're waiting for coffee, like a real addict.
Real addicts. Yeah, we're just doing this over the sink because it tends to
get messy a bit
sometimes. Yeah.
Like that.
Or all times.
Yeah, just about every time.
So our whole to-go mug of coffee doesn't fit in there, but it's enough to make it frothy.
And generally I blend it until the whole thing changes to the exact same colors. You can see it's kind of darker up top and lighter down here. As you blend it until it all becomes one like consistent color, and that makes everything nice and frothy. See how frothy that is in there? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Super yummy coffee, especially with our
It's
favorite.
a beautiful brew coffee.
Our favorite is definitely with the coconut oil. That tastes luxurious.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.